So today we're going to review how to change your hearing aid batteries. Once you become familiar with the basic steps, which I'm going to show you today, it's a relatively straightforward process. Okay, now I'm going to review how to change the batteries for your hearing aids, but before that, it's important to realize the landmarks on a hearing aid battery to make sure you have the battery in the correct orientation. So one side of the battery you can see will be flat, and if we turn it around, the other side of the battery will sort of be ridged. These two landmarks will be really important when we talk about the correct orientation for inserting your battery. So for our first type of hearing aid battery door, which is a pull-out tray model, to open it, there'll be a ridge on the faceplate. And basically you want to take your finger or your nail and just pull out from that ridge and open the tray up all the way. If you're looking at the tray, you can see that there's two different openings. So on the top, it's a much larger opening than the bottom, which is a smaller opening. When you're inserting the batteries, the ridge side of the battery will actually face the smaller opening, which acts as a cradle. And so once you push the hearing aid battery door in, it slides in quite easily. If you were to reverse the orientation of the battery door wouldn't close. Another style of battery door is the flip-top battery door. So to open this style, basically again you want to find the ridge on the faceplate of the hearing aid, and with your finger or your nail, this time you want to pull out, and you'll hear a little click, and you'll be able to flip the battery door open. With this style of hearing aid, it's very easy. You want to keep the flat side of the battery facing up, like so. Then you're going to close the battery door, and to lock it back into place, you're just going to push it in, which is the opposite motion you did to open the battery door. And most behind the ear hearing aids will have their battery door at the bottom. And again, there'll be a little ridge on close to the side of the bottom of the hearing aid. And again, you're going to pull out with your nail or your finger on that ridge to open the battery door. With the behind the ear, again, you want to have the flat side of the battery facing up in the cradle, and then once you have it in place, just simply close the battery door. So I hope these demonstrations today helped, and if you have any further questions, you should feel free to contact your audiologist.